Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, December 17th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, yesterday I thought it was the end of the world. I really did. I just didn't see what could happen that was good. We were negative over $8,000 on our open trade equity, and we were carrying 8 out of 9 negative positions. And the Dow closed on its low, and it closed down here, right on my second red line, which I have considered, the floor. It looked to me like the floor was going to break, and we were probably going to go free fall all the way down to 17,000. Well, it didn't happen, folks, as you know probably by now. This floor really proved to be very resilient, and the Dow took off today, and it just kept going and going. It ended up closing up 288 points, and amazingly, I'm going to tell you, this just happens so little, but that negative $8,000 open trade equity that we had yesterday, by the time we closed that out, we were over $13,000 positive. So we went from negative 8,000 to positive 13,000. Hey, folks, that just doesn't happen very often. I've repeatedly said, bad trades have a way of never getting better, but everything got better today, really, really good, and we're holding over $11,000 positive in open trade equity going into tomorrow. Now, $11,000 is real good, but we do have 21 positions. So you got to understand, with 21 positions, $11,000 can disappear or triple very quickly. But I really think things are going to go okay. Looking at this Dow chart is very encouraging. As I say, we came down here, we bounced off the floor twice, and then it came back so convincingly. Oh, I would have loved to have it had taken that out today, that intraday high from yesterday, but you can't have everything. This just looks really, really good, and given the power of this move today, I don't think this thing's going to turn around and test this floor again. More likely it's going to go back up to the top, which is 18,000, and what happens to it then, I don't know, but I'm looking forward to several pretty good days for us here, and thank God. We've just had nothing but bad news since the beginning of September. I'll show you a couple of the trades here. Most everything was positive, so I can't show you everything, but I want to show you one. This is a revenge trade. See it. This is EMES, which is Emerge Energy Services, and I'm going to tell you, this stock gave us the worst beating that I can remember in a long time. We had back-to-back $7,000 losses in this stock, and those were just occurred. The last trade we had in this stock, we lost $7,000. In the trade before that, we lost another $7,000. Well, yesterday we got into this thing, the middle of the day, and it closed against us, and I just thought, oh God, here we go again. We're just going to get killed again in this stock. And this morning, this thing just exploded to the top side. We got out of it, then we got back into it. But anyways, because we have an exit here, I have a dollar figure to give you, and guess what? We made over $7,000 in Emerge Energy Services. So it at least made up for one of those terrible trades we had. And this is the thing. I've done an enormous amount of testing with my system, and I will tell you that just about any volatile market that you test, if you test it over long enough time, it's going to make money. And so if you get a stock like this that just absolutely kills you, has this horrible streak, it's usually a bad idea to drop it, because statistically it will come back. It will come back and you'll get good trades out of it. So, I was tempted to drop this after a double whammy, 7,000 a piece, but I'm glad I kept it now, because we made $7,000 in EMES today. I'll show you just one more. As I say, I got quite a few, but I can't show them all to you. This is in CPE, which is Callon Petroleum Company. The energy stocks just went crazy today. I mean, I think most of their good stuff was energy, but this is Callon Petroleum Company. We had bought this yesterday, and it closed against us, like everything else. I mean, we had 7 out of 8, or 8 out of 9 positions, I think, were negative yesterday. This thing just explodes today and goes up, 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 and it because it went so high and so strong, we stay into it. We're treating it like a third day trade, so we'll take this into tomorrow. But we're holding over $5,000 in Callon Petroleum, so very happy with that. Hey, listen, this is the first good day we've had in December. I am delighted. It couldn't have happened sooner. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.